On Tuesday, June 14, Ukrainian soldiers engaged in combat with Russian troops in the Donetsk region expressed confidence in their ability to win the conflict. Ukrainian military hardware drove through the town, which lies some 50 kilometers to the north from the separatist stronghold of Donetsk in eastern Donetsk region, where heavy fighting between Ukrainian and Russian troops is ongoing. Reuters witnesses said the town was under shelling on Tuesday. 28-year-old Ukrainian soldier nicknamed Pashtay said he doesn't understand Russian President Vladimir Putin's intentions with Ukraine. He has his own big and rich country, just put things in order and you can live peacefully. There's a mess in his country and he goes, let me invade Ukraine and make a mess there. This is what I think. We will prevail anyway. The victory will be ours, he said. Serviceman Mikola, aged 42, thinks the war will not lead to anything good. One of Putin's stated objectives is forcing Kiev to cede the full territory of two provinces, Luhansk and Donetsk, collectively known as the Donbass. Bigger battles could lie ahead for the wider Ukrainian-held pocket of the Donbass, nearly all on the opposite bank of the river, which Russian forces have found difficult to cross.